Safety of genetically modified plants and animals has been the bone of contention over the years, but experts have provided the explanation that the transfer of the nucleus of a cell from one generation to another cannot be unsafe. In a lecture to determine the role of biotechnology in food security and poverty eradication, Vice Chancellor, National Open University of Nigeria, Professor Vincent Tenebe noted that genetically modified crops have the capacity to withstand pests, diseases and soil infertility and will ensure higher yields as well as improve nutritive value of foods.
We implore that you participate in revealing the positive aspect of this, and also by demonstrating to the farmers that what we are talking about is workable, by showing them that they can improve their yields, they can reduce the labor and drudgery involved in their agricultural practices, and also they can improve their earning power, thereby improving their welfare.
We expect a well-regulated biotechnology sector in terms of deployment of the technology, as it is impacting on other nations economically. That is what we expect, and that our scientists will be fully involved in the practice of biotechnology.
Other experts agree that biotechnology is an undisputable solution to food crisis in Africa and urged the authorities to stimulate farmers' interest to key into the application.
So once we apply these technologies in the various and properly the way it should be, we can now see how we can now begin to do production, we can do processing using real advanced biotech procedure.
Nigeria is blessed with very fertile soil and other things, and the genetically modified crops are not different from the traditional crops, except that a gene is added into them to improve them.
For several decades, man has been making efforts towards finding solutions to existing food problems by using a collection of scientific techniques to improve on plants, animals and microorganisms. For the advocates of biotechnology in Nigeria, the passing into law of Biotech Bill is an advantage and a new scientific window to successful achievement of agricultural revolution in the country. In Abuja, Kierian Umeayo, NTA News.